Hello everyone, it's Chiaki. Welcome to my vegetable field. Yay! So, lots of mosquitoes here. So I'm gonna show you some summer vegetable today. Let's get started.
Oh, look what we found! A beautiful eggplant. You might think this looks very small, but this one is almost fully grown. I'll show you some eggplant recipes. First, let's make eggplant dengaku together. This is grilled eggplant dish with a sweet miso paste topping. Here are the ingredients we'll need. White miso, sake, mirin, canola oil, eggplant, and sudachi. When you select a great eggplant, the important things is they should be firm and also nice and shiny. Cut it half them. Make a bunch of a hole with a skewer. This will help them get plump and delicious when cooking. Eggplant tastes great when cooked with oil, but it can get greasy and too soft if you don't prepare it properly. So, to prepare the eggplant, cover it in salt and wait about 10 minutes. This will bring out some of excess water and help prevent it from soaking up too much oil when cooking. Okay, now let's make the sweet miso paste. This miso paste is also great as a dip sauce, or use it to take a basic miso soup to the next level. For this recipe, I recommend white miso as it naturally sweeter and more mild. Place all the ingredients in the pot and set the heat at the medium. Cook well to allow the alcohol to evaporate. After a brief boiling period, reduce the heat to low to avoid burning and wait till the sauce becomes shiny. Then, let it rest to cool down. Okay, back to the eggplant. It has now had 10 minutes with the salt. And look at all the moisture and liquor that came out. Simply use some paper towel to pat them dry. Okay, grill both sides with frying pan. Oh, don't those look super yummy already? Alright, next let's spread the sweet miso paste onto our cooked eggplant. Sudachi is great for stress relief. Just to crush them with the hand. Wait, no. Today we need to use the peel, so save the crushing for later. But you can use the citrus juice from sudachi to add to dishes or drink to help relieve stress anytime you like. For this dish, you can use lemon or yuzu for the accent if you prefer them or can't find sudachi. To prepare them, cut off the couple parts of the peel and remove the white part. Then cut thinly sliced into silvers. Finally, you can decorate with the silvers of sudachi and a few black sesame seeds as you like. As I said earlier, this paste makes a great dip for other summer vegetable too. Give it a try it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye!
Yummy! Yummy!
Our next recipe is a simple Italian eggplant gratin. So make sure to watch the next video to learn how to make it. See you then!